What starts as a routine traffic stop is about to turn into a heated confrontation that officers likely didn't expect. A woman identifying herself as a friend of the mayor and a Port Authority commissioner arrives on scene and immediately begins demanding answers about why a vehicle was stopped. But here's where things get interesting. The officers make it clear that she is not directly involved in the traffic stop, yet she continues pushing for information and authority. Watch closely because this encounter quickly shifts from a simple question-and-answer exchange into a tense battle over entitlement, authority, and police procedure. Do you think the officers should explain more, or are they right to limit what information they share with someone who isn't the driver?
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi, Ms. Nair. I'm a resident. There you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm Karen Turner.
You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
We're not involved here. You're picking them up?
No. I'm involved. Trust me.
Well,
I'm
not
very
going to tell you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
At this point, the tension is clearly escalating. Notice how the conversation is no longer focused on the original traffic stop. Instead, it's becoming a dispute over respect, authority, and who believes they deserve answers. From a law enforcement perspective, officers generally communicate directly with the driver or individuals involved in the stop. That is why the repeated requests for information are being met with resistance. What's particularly interesting is how both sides seem increasingly frustrated by the other's tone rather than the actual issue that started the encounter. When communication breaks down like this, even simple interactions can spiral into unnecessary conflict. Looking at this exchange, who do you think is contributing more to the escalation? The officers, the commissioner, or both?
Okay.
If you can...
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay.
We've explained already.
You need a... If you can give me a little bit of space here. What
Who
seems
is
to
this?
be...
Are you a commissioner?
I am the commissioner. One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up...
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a problem.
It's an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, let's hear, why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me Miss, I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner?
Yes.
All due
Why
respect?
were they pulled over?
All due respect?
Yep. Why
The
did
driver
they
will tell you.
No. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed now.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No. I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who's
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve you 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and I'm offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney, so I think if you can't tell me, what is the problem?
That's fine.
Why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I need to know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because
Why?
I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student, and I don't know why it's so difficult to say what the problem is. This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest.
back to New
I'll be
Haven.
honest with you. Should I be frank with you?
Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your
You
demeanor.
know what? Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
I want to know why.
I just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
You know what?
If you'd like to read my report, you can come down to the police department records on Monday, and you can get a copy of it.
And you can't...
I am there is no... You have no right to know what's going on.
No, I do.
Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have to take responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's a backseat passenger. She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a problem with you describing it because you don't feel confident. Why these people are being pulled over.
Your daughter has not been summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle.
I'm
How
sorry,
are you
but
involved?
this is not going to be, if you have a problem explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem.
Why
And
don't
trust
you-
me,
why-
This may be one of the most revealing moments of the entire encounter. The discussion shifts toward credentials, status, and personal influence rather than the facts surrounding the stop itself. The woman repeatedly emphasizes her position and community connections, while the officer continues steering the conversation back to procedure and the individuals directly involved. One important thing viewers should understand is that titles and public positions typically do not grant access to investigative details during an active traffic stop. The officer's responses suggest he is attempting to maintain that boundary despite mounting pressure. What's striking here is how neither side appears willing to disengage, creating a cycle where frustration keeps feeding frustration. If you were standing here watching this unfold, what would you have said to de-escalate the situation?
will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Ma'am,
It
take
will
a step back.
be.
Take a step
If
back
you
for me,
can't
please.
even describe what the
Take a
problem
step back
is,
for me. I can't move back any farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep moving closer to me.
Because you can't
Can you take
even
a step back?
put a sentence together
Take a
on what
step
the
back.
problem is.
Because I'm not, because of your demeanor.
No, I
I
came
am
in
under
very
no
nicely.
legal obligation to tell
Okay.
you.
And I'm under no
Okay.
legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would
Okay.
like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up. Okay?
Okay.
There's going to be a report.
Yep.
The
There will
driver
be a
has been
report.
advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I was
All the
there for
proper
your
forms have been
graduation
filled out.
when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long
What
ago.
graduation? What are you talking about?
Okay. Okay. Never
What
mind.
graduation
Thank
when
you
I came
very
into
much,
what town? What-
Savitsky and Catholic. Thank you for
Have
your
a nice day.
information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without
I
even the
didn't.
decency.
No, I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I'm just
you
doing
did.
my job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just
This
hope
is
you
their
being
Easter,
a commissioner
this is their Passover.
that you would understand
You
the job
did it.
police officers have to do. But
There is no explanation. How can I understand?
because you didn't
don't
even
have
ask
the
him.
decency.
You didn't even
no,
ask
I'm
him.
asking you because you're the one that's making the report, the problem, stating it. I'm going to
I
the
don't
source.
appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded information, the way
I'm
you're
not demanding.
you're
I'm
stating
asking
based
you.
off of your
I'm
your
asking
your
you.
position
I'm asking
in another
you.
agency,
I'm asking
whatever it
you.
may be. I mean, you have a business card with
How many
credentials.
times-
I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official
So
identification.
Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I've been in the town for
That's
20
fine.
years, and as a courtesy, I would like to understand the rationale for their being pulled over and their car confiscated. This is a courtesy. I don't know why it's so
I
difficult.
believe
you know
you
what?
should ask your
Can you
daughter and the
please-
driver of the motor
My
vehicle.
daughter is a backseat passenger, as you
Exactly.
said. You're making the accusation. I would like to know
What accusation?
the accusation of I don't know what. You haven't told me. You're telling me to go Monday and read the report.
No, that's
when
not
these
what you
kids,
said to me.
You said ask them.
The driver.
It's not it's not them. I'm not going to ask the driver what you are accusing them of wrongdoing. I'm asking you because you're the source of the accusation. They are not the source, you're the source. So I'm trying to go to the source. If you want me to go to their side of the story, I will.
I think
but
that's the
I
best
will
thing.
do that.
I think it's the best thing at this point.
You know what?
As this encounter comes to a close, what began as a routine traffic stop ended up becoming a memorable lesson in communication, authority, and public perception. The officers remained focused on limiting discussion to the people directly involved in the stop, while the commissioner continued demanding explanations and expressing dissatisfaction with how she was treated. Whether you agree with the officers, the commissioner, or somewhere in between, this footage highlights how quickly interactions can deteriorate when expectations and communication styles clash. It also serves as a reminder that professionalism, patience, and clear boundaries are critical for everyone involved during police encounters. Now we want to hear from you. Did the officers handle this situation appropriately, or could they have managed it differently? If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.
I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with 2 kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sentence.
I think
no,
we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety reasons, this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. It's a little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were
Thank
anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together. Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic.
Okay.
And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment.
Okay.
You can't put together a sentence of what the problem is.
Are you finished now? Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked. I'm
finished?
shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for
may
your
take
help.
Them. You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale.
Okay.
You may tell me nothing because you've told me nothing. Shame on both of you.
Okay.
I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number 540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's no discrepancy.
There's no
Matt is the first name.
Don't you worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information,
Okay.
sweetheart. You can't put a sentence together. That's shameful.
Okay.
That's shameful.
Have a pleasant weekend.
You have a wonderful
All right.
weekend. You're going to be very